Hello, good afternoon. Lengua extranjera 2. I11 video. Teacher Oscar Antonio García Vega. Student Almadelia Portillo Barrios. Presentation. Hello teacher, good afternoon. My name is Almadelia Portillo Barrios. I am 29 years old. I am originally from Tula de Allende Hidalgo. At this time, I am resting at home because I worked at night, but I can not leave home for the contingency sanitary. Right now, I just do this from school. My last holidays. In December of last year, my family and we went to the state Michoacan, in which we spent 3 days wonderful, because it has beautiful green landscape. My dad and I can take a charanda, that is a drink typical of Pátzcuaro. While we watched the jet, my mom had a glass charades. We had an amazing ride in the boats to Janitzio. My family. My family is very peculiar. My father, Mr. German, used to sing lullabies to me at night. My mother, Mrs. Maria, cooks very rich. I have a sister, Cayet, Guadalupe, and neighbor, Cayet Kevin. We are 6 people at my house, and we all like to play table football. Thanks.